Welcome to Spring LIB.
Okay, so I found problem 53 easier to answer by process of elimination here. And so the first thing to note when we're talking about oil spills is that when the oil is aromatic or highly branched, it's harder to clean up. So if it's aromatic or highly branched, the carbon chain, I should say, is highly branched. Okay, and so then that makes it harder to clean up. So success of cleaning it up is going to be less likely when the conditions are more difficult to clean it, right? So we can eliminate then choices A and B because we do not want the aromatic or highly branched hydrocarbon compounds. Okay, and then if we look at letter choice C here, it has sort of one of the items listed is the type of water body. So the type of water body. And so what does that mean? That a water body is referring to like a river, lake, ocean. So it's sort of silly, right? If we have a oil spill in a lake, well, then the presence of the oil solubilizing prokaryotes in the ocean, which is another feature of choice C, won't be helpful, right? So having these prokaryotes in the ocean, but potentially having our spill somewhere else doesn't really contribute to being successful in the bioremediation of the spill. And so that leaves us with letter choice D as our solution. And in this case, it's referring to the type of oil compound, right? So we want it to not be aromatic or highly branched. Having the prokaryotes already in the ocean, which is important, so they can start the bioremediation process, and the temperature of the ocean, right? The temperature of the ocean can impact what kind of prokaryotes are there, as well as the flora and fauna and anything else that's being taken care of. So we are looking at letter choice D as being the correct answer.